Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this blown out ponytail look using Marley hair extensions. So if you're interested, carry on watching. If you're enjoying today's video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you don't miss when I upload. And also hit the like button because that helps this channel grow a lot. Right, let's get into it. So I'm starting off this style with stretched hair. The night before I just put my hair in plaits and I'm just taking them down now. I actually attempted to do this hairstyle a couple days before I'd filmed this again and it just didn't go so well. My hair wasn't sticking down, my hair was still wet, and so the style just didn't come out that great. But let me explain to you exactly how the style just flopped. Okay, so this day I was in such a rush. I had somewhere to be, so I was just taking all of my plaits out so quickly, and at this point my hair just wasn't dry. Yep, you can see my face, I just wasn't impressed. So I had to comb it out quickly because my friend was waiting for me downstairs. As well as my hair being wet, it was also so dry. I don't even know how it was this dry when I'd literally had it in plait and I'd put cream in and everything the day before. I was so confused. I also had plaits that I hadn't even combed out properly, just in different parts of my head, and it was just, yeah. But I put aloe vera on my edges and in my hair and just used my tangle teaser to comb it back, you know, trying to get that sleek look. Yeah, that wasn't working. Okay, this part is where I really messed up because this is where I put my hair in a bun instead of plaiting it. So when I actually put the extensions on my hair, you could see the bun from underneath. At this point, I really don't think I was thinking straight because I should have actually combed out the extensions before putting it on my hair, but I don't know what I was doing. I think because I was in a rush, like my mind was everywhere. You see, like I didn't even know what I was doing. I was trying to make a bun. I don't really think I knew I wanted to achieve with this style, so yeah. Can we say mess? Mess. Okay, truth be told, it wasn't really that bad, but you know, I just kind of wanted to be a bit dramatic, so I just really wanted to add this part in. Okay, so today we try again. This would have been a cute braid out, but we're not doing that today. So here I'm just sectioning off my hair into smaller sections and combing it out thoroughly this time with a big wide tooth comb. I really want my hair to be tangle free so that I'm able to lay it down a lot better. What am I even listening to that I'm dancing like this? You never really notice how funny the face you make is when you're combing out your hair until you watch back the videos while you're editing. But the problem I have with this hairstyle is because my hair is so very thick, it's often hard for me to it's very hard for me to hold my hair back without breaking the hairband or just being tired of. So really, I don't do styles where I have to pull my hair back and it puts a lot of tension on my head because I have a very sensitive head and I'm prone to getting a lot of headaches from styles that require me to hold my hair tightly and stuff like buns and things. So I kind of don't do them a lot. Now I'm just going to take my water bottle and just spray that in the front bits of my hair and just rub it in so my hair is damp. Also on the top as well. Then I'm just going to grab my aloe vera gel. Yep, my best friend. Been using it for a while now. You can also just use Eco Styler if you have it, or any kind of gel that you use to lay down your hair, give it a slick kind of effect. I do find that using aloe vera gel makes my hair a bit like sticky slightly after a couple of hours, but if I do want something that doesn't create flakes in my hair, then this is what I tend to use rather than just water and like an edge control. Once you feel like you've combed it out enough, start to gather it into a ponytail at like whatever height you want. Try and get yours a bit flatter than mine, but as you can see, that was the flattest I could get it. And then now I'm just sectioning them off and twisting it into sections. So just do this all over your head. I think in total I had about 6 twists when I was done. And now what you want to do is start to grab the twist and kind of rotate them around each other, so that you're kind of creating a mini bun at the top of your head. This is going to act as a base for the ponytail when we attach it to the hair. So you want to make sure that you secure it really well with bobby pins, and that you also make sure that you do as tight as you can, so that the smaller it is, the better, so it won't show as much. I'm just grabbing my brush with harder bristles and brushing it over my hair to smooth it even more. And I'm grabbing my Got To Be gels, the one in the black tub. I got a really small one because I wanted to try it out, and using my hairbrush to brush out my baby hairs. I didn't collect any from my actual hair, I just made sure I brought out the ones from my actual hairline, and then I did my edges off camera. I didn't really exactly know how exactly I wanted to style my edges. The third time I did this, I kind of got the hang of the way and direction I wanted them to lay, but in this video, I'm kind of just going with the flow, and whatever goes, goes. And I just got my satin scarf and let that sit for about 10 minutes. I've done here is just gathered some Marley hair. I've got it in the color 1B. I've also used a hairband to secure it in the middle so that there's equal length on both sides, and I am just using a wide tooth comb to comb it out so that it gives it more of an blown out look. And I've just attached that to my hair. Make sure you use a big hairband for this, because I used a small hairband at first and didn't fit around the bun, so I had to change it to a bigger one, and then that was able to fit round my hair bun. Here I'm just using some hair scissors to cut off the ends that have formed when I used my tangle teaser to comb out the Marley hair. Ideally I should have used a paddle brush to comb it out to give it an even better look, but I didn't have that with me, so I had to make do with a wide tooth comb. And then the last two things you can see me doing are adding bobby pins to the bottom layers of the Marley hair, so that they don't show and that they hide the bun a bit better, and also just going through with my hands and separating the Marley hair so that it's achieving the blowout look. Once you've achieved your desired fluffiness, then we are done.
I met this chick and she just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time I bet I make this with him mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home, but it's something about baby girl I just can't leave alone.